Hello, a short tutorial to present how to install VisibleSim on Windows. You have all the information in this website. So first we will clone the repository, copying this line, and then using git bash here. So I have created a new directory. I call it VisibleSim, which is a root for my installation. And so I paste the command and I download sim sources in this directory. So you can check that here. So here it is my VisibleSim directory. So VisibleSim is copied here. We need for the installation three libraries: Frigate, Glue, and reparser. So you have here the link to download the sources. I have already download and unzip the three directories. Then we will install each of these libraries with CLion using CMake. And so I open a new project here from C VisibleSim. Okay, then there is a CMake list here. I open it, I choose project, and I open this library. So first is building the file, okay, and then here in the list I can choose the library I want to create. So there is Frigate here. I compile and link it, and I do the same. Just after yes, I do the same with Frigate static. Okay, that's it for Frigate. I close the project. I open another project and I choose here Glue. In Glue, the CMake is in this directory, build CMake list. Glue, build CMake, select the CMake list.txt file as project. Okay, it's okay. Then the CMake process. Okay, finished. You choose Glue here in the list. You compile and link. Okay, that's it for Glue. And the last one, exit. And the last one is parser. Parser, the roots. Okay, so I open this file from again, open a project. Okay, so the last one is VisibleSim. So VisibleSim, I open the CMake. Okay, project. Up, you choose the list. Sorry, just wait for the CMake process finished. So here there is VisibleSim here, and you compile you generate the DLL and the lib file, correct? Okay, then now I'm ready to compile VisibleSim. So I close this project, I open VisibleSim 1, open, oh, VisibleSim, select list, open, as project. Up. Then, so first step, you have to change the simeclist.txt file. Here, if in GW, you have the list of library. So here it corresponds to the directory I just create. It is configured for my computer. But in your case, maybe you have used another disk and another directory. So you have to change this line for the three libraries. Then at the end, you may have to click on reload the file, but at the end it must generate all the files for the project. Go to one robot library. Here, for example, you start with Blinky Blocks, and you compile Blinky Blocks. Okay, done. Then we will compile now an application, for example, E1 flooding, but I have to configure it. So you open edit configuration. So for target E1 flooding, you have to precise the XML file. So there is an XML file in the directory dot application bin and the same name E1 flooding x config.xml, like that. So -c is to precise the name of the config file. Okay, and now you can run. And some file will miss. So this error is just to precise that it's some DLL I'm missing. Then go to the CMake build debug for each of your libraries in order to find the DLL. So for view parser, it's here. So I copy it and I paste it in the CMake build debug directory. So for view parser, I do the same for glue. In this case, it's built in CMake and CMake build bin. Find the DLL. Control C. The same V, and the last one is root, free root, so free root. Yeah. Control C and paste here. Control V. Okay, back to CLIN, and I run it, and now is ready. So use R to run the program, I to show the window, and T if you want to have larger text size. Okay? So you are ready to write your own application.